Replicate, uncovered. Master this English word. Hey there, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a common yet often misunderstood word in the English language: replicate. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use and understand this term with confidence. Replicate is a verb that primarily means to make an exact copy of something. Imagine you have a picture of a beautiful sunset and you create an identical copy of that picture. That's replication. Example 1. Scientists often replicate experiments to confirm the results. Example 2. She replicated the artwork so accurately that it was hard to tell which one was the original. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary and help reinforce the meaning of replicate. Some common synonyms are: duplicate, to make an exact copy; copy, to create something that looks or functions like another; clone, often used in a biological context, meaning to produce an identical organism or cell; mimic, to imitate or copy closely, but not always perfectly. Here are a few phrases where you might come across the word replicate. Replicate the results, often used in scientific contexts. It means to achieve the same outcome in an experiment or study. Replicate the success. This means to achieve the same successful outcome in another instance or setting. Hard to replicate, describing something unique or exceptional, meaning it's difficult to copy or reproduce. Replicate can be used in diverse contexts. Let's explore. 1. Science. Experiments are replicated to ensure accuracy. 2. Art. An artist might replicate a famous painting to study the original artist's techniques. 3. Technology. In data storage, systems often replicate data to ensure there's a backup in case of failures. And there you have it. The word replicate might seem simple at first, but it's versatile and can be found in various contexts. Remember, it's all about making exact copies or reproducing something faithfully. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be replicating your success in English language learning.